We've talked about these threaded pipe inserts a lot. They allow you to add flanges to your build, casters, feet on the bottom of your projects. There's all kinds of wild things like camera mounts. I mean, it goes on and on. We've talked about them a bunch, but how strong are they? And that's what we set out to find out in this video, so we could hopefully share you guys some rough ideas to use in your projects. And if you don't know what these are threaded pipe inserts that hammer into the end of EMT conduit. And the way we tested this, we actually built a testing rig behind us completely out of EMT conduit and Maker Pipe connectors. And we just grabbed on to the testing rig with a Maker Pipe T connector, used some self-drilling screws to secure this in place so this part wouldn't fail. And then we had a piece of conduit going up with the threaded insert in the end of the EMT conduit, and then we added an eye hook. Now, this doesn't look like an eye hook, and that's because the eye hook straightened out completely before these ever failed. And not only that, but we were using this luggage scale to actually give us a readout and see if we could get some rough numbers to share with you guys. And this maxes out at 300 kilograms or around 660 pounds. And we had this between the parts and the winch that we were using to test these, and it maxed out the tester and then straightened out the eye hook. And that was for the no lip insert, which I thought was going to be much stronger than the lipped insert because this has 2 sets of fins compared to the lipped insert having 1. But so we tested both of them, and this one, like I said, maxed out the tester, straightened out the eye hook. So then we did the same test with the lipped insert, and that one did pretty much the same thing. Maxed out the tester, and then we actually stopped the test before it straightened out the eye bolt, but it did max out the tester, and I'm sure would have done the same thing. So both of these did over 660 pounds. Have no idea what the actual number is, but hopefully that gives you a rough idea. And of course, you should always do your own testing because this is just for entertainment, and we just wanted to see for ourselves and share with you guys what we found. But hopefully you found this useful and helpful for your builds. If you did, leave a like and comment and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.